You do a very good scene, but somehow it fizzles out at the end. Has that happened to you? Then keep watching. Hi, my name is Prince Kamal. I'm an actor, an acting coach, and welcome to my channel. So you give a very good performance in the scene, but at the end it somehow seems to fizzle out. That last 3 seconds is what casting remembers the most. Today, I will give you a way to leave a very strong button at the end that leaves them hooked. So, what's a button? A button is a clear ending choice. A look, a breath, or some kind of a shift in character that clearly punctuates your scene. It is not about overacting, it's about finishing with intention. For an example, let's take a simple line like, "Fine, do what you want." Let's first do this without any button. Fine, do what you want. Okay? Now, let's do it with 3 buttons. First, comic button. Fine, do what you want. Dramatic button. Fine, do what you want. A subtle button. Fine, do what you want. The comic button shows that this character always wanted the other person to do this thing that they have now decided to do. But maybe he was playing reverse psychology. Or maybe he succeeded in somehow persuading them to do what he wanted them to do. The dramatic button is about this character not being happy with what the other person is doing, and now they intend to do something about it. The subtle button is about this person trying their best to convince the other person to do something. But now they've completely given up. Before we go on, if you are finding value in this video, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so I can keep giving you acting tips, and make sure you share this video with at least one friend who you think needs it the most. Do you see how each button changes the last impression of the scene? The audience carries the last impression of the scene with them. It works great with auditions, monologues, and self-tapes. Just one word of caution: don't force it. A button should feel connected to the character's want, to the character's objective in the scene. Now let me give you a pro tip. While choosing a button, think of a button as an echo of the scene, something that remains in the air even after the scene is done. So the next time, don't just say your last line and stop. Give it a button. Casting directors especially remember the last 3 seconds of a scene. So the next time you record an audition, if possible, upload it and tag me. I want to see your version of it. Which of these buttons appeal to you the most? Dramatic, comic, or subtle? Which one are you going to use the next time you do a scene? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know which country, which city, which town, which village are you watching this video from. It really makes me happy to know where my audience is. Take care and more power and presence to you.